So today is Saturday and I'm about to head out to the store and pick up some food. And I thought it'd be fun if maybe as you guys can see, it's not much going on in here. Pretty sad and empty. Disgusting! A lot of this stuff down here is actually expired, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna give my new fridge a little makeover and restock it. So let's go. So tomorrow is supposed to be like a big snowstorm, and I think a lot of places are gonna close down, hopefully, because I have to work tomorrow. So hopefully they announce it that we don't have to come in. But yeah, this is like kind of like the first like big winter snowstorm we had in South Carolina, because I lived here for like 3 years. In the first year it snowed like one time, but it was like 2 inches and it melted like the next day. So yeah, this is supposed to be like 6 to 12 inches, I think. So that's big for like South Carolina. So yeah, anyways guys, I'm actually gonna go also pick up some food, some tacos and the empanadas from this small business, and then I'm gonna go to the store, or the other way around, I don't know. So yeah. I think I'm just gonna go to like Dollar General because it's really close by and I don't really feel like driving anywhere too far. So yeah, it's like literally down the street, like a minute away. So I'm just gonna go there. I can't go to my workplace, but I don't really want to see my coworkers, even though like I will get a discount. And I also kind of want to get these cute little bowls I bought the other day. It was like $1.50, $2. I kind of want a few more because it's like a really good deal, and I've been using it for the past few days. So yeah. And we are here. Like I said, it's only a minute, so yeah. Quick drive. Let's go. They didn't really have that much stuff, so I feel like the fridge is not gonna be full, so I might stop by another store, maybe Big Lots, because I get a discount. So yeah, first I'm gonna go pick up my tacos because it's been over 20 minutes. So yep. Alright, so I got my food. I think I'm gonna stop by Big Lots because I don't really get that much stuff from Dollar General, and plus I'll get a discount. I don't know why, but sometimes I still get anxiety when I drive. I get nervous, I don't know why. I feel like sometimes I'm still a bad driver, but people have told me that I'm a decent driver, so I don't know. My food. Like, I really want to get out of my comfort zone and just start driving on the highway and all that, but I mean, I have been using the GPS more. I just I don't really go too far, just like the areas that I kind of know of already, so I don't think that counts, but yeah. Alright. Anywho's, we are here at Big Lots, so let's go. Let's go home. I'm gonna throw all this away because I'm pretty sure they're expired. Alright, so the fridge is pretty much empty, so I'm gonna start restocking it, maybe clean a little bit. It's kind of dirty and gross, so yeah. Alright, the fridge looks a little bit cleaner, so I'm gonna start restocking it. Okay, so this is everything. It's not that much, but of course it's just a mini fridge, so I'm not gonna go overboard. I just want to make it look like fully stocked. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, I think I'm gonna put the sodas on the side because it's small. So I think I'm gonna put the pudding and the jello in the slot like I did before. Alright, I got all the jello out, so I'm gonna just put it in here. We gotta organize it. I'm just gonna throw it in there. That's good so far. This is what we got so far. I'm gonna put these ice drinks, sparkling ice drinks, down here like I always do. Okay, so I finished stocking the fridge, so I'm gonna show you guys a little tour, I guess you can say. So yeah, right here we go. Side, you got some sodas, you got some dressing, some food. I don't know, you're supposed to put these in the fridge, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And more drinks, and more drinks, and we got pudding, we got jello. And that's pretty much it. It looks way better than before. So yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me restock my fridge. And I'm about to go eat my food that I ordered. So yeah. Sauce.